What's good? What's going on? Today I feel really creative. I just have like a flow of creative energies. I went to Walmart yesterday, got some denim needles. I got some things. So today I'm gonna be doing some sewing. I have these large corduroy pants and I'm pretty sure they're men's pants, but I really like loose fitted clothes. So I'm about to be transforming some loose fitted pants into something more tattable, more tattoo. So let's go, come on. So I went through my closet and remembered that I thrifted a lot of corduroy pants. And I think if I remember correctly, I wanted to do like this multicolored mismatched kind of pant. I kind of don't really want to be too adventurous right now because I don't really know what I'm going for. I just know that I want to downsize something and make it fit like closer to my body. Kind of going with this one, but I don't really have like light clothes that I would want to wear it with. But I've worn these pants before and I know these are men's pants because I've also posed in them. And I had like a really nice bulge right in the crotch area. I was like really trucker. I was having really trucker vibes. It's like I just can't wait to get on my 18-wheeler and drive in the fast lane. Yeah, these pants. I mean, the length is cool. Okay, yeah, this is not pants, but you feel me? Like, these are cool. These are nice. I'm having so much fun. Look. Look at me. Wee. You know what would be cute? If this was like a pencil one, like a straight one, and then I made like a bodice on top. That would be super cool. Okay. So I decided to go with these khaki pants. It really actually matched the outfit, so I was like, yo, I like the khaki and I like the green, orange. I always confuse orange and green. I don't know why I keep on saying, I know what color it is. I just keep on saying the other color all the time. I've been doing this since I was a kid. Huh, what are colors anyway? Isn't it subjective anyway? Anyway. So I decided to go with the khaki one to kind of fit the vibes that I'm going for, as well as like it matched with the shirt and I liked the scheme. In my first video, in the styling one, I showed you, it was like, yo, I like when the gradient flow. I like flowing like gradients. So I'm gonna see if I can fit it to my body. I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks that I got from other videos. And yeah. So I'm tightening up the pants because I want it to be just underneath my navel. And behind me, I'm pulling them tight so that I can fit them closer to my body the way that I want to. So I'm gonna turn it inside out and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Obviously it's not gonna be like the same thing, but I'm gonna turn it inside out. I'm gonna pin it with some safety pins and then I'll come back to the drawing board so that I can see like, yeah, let's fit it to my body, bruh. Fit it to my body, bruh. I'm literally pinching, marking, and trying to do it as like many points as I can. This is a really bad pocket, as you know. As you can tell, these are guy pants. I don't know if I have this fabric color or this thread color. I don't think I have it. Is there any top stitching? There is. No. So this thread color, it was the only thread color that kind of matched the pant. I remember I went to, that's just part of the Walmart haul. I just can't remember what I bought from Walmart. They got so many steals, so many deals. 5-figure deals, 5-figure steals. I mean, come on. What's more to not like about Walmart? So I'm getting really frustrated because I don't really know how they folded the pants. I don't know how they stitched the two pant legs together to make this weird crease. I don't know how they did it, but you know, power of just tea and taking a break solved that for me. I figured out how to do it. So it's looking good, and then we get down to the part where it doesn't look so good or so straight. Well, I didn't want a seam rip, so I'm gonna use fabric glue. And here we have it, the finished tailored pant. I would say that for my first try doing this, really good, really proud. I went from turning this to this. How amazing. I finally finished it. Thank you for watching.
I've got something on my back that I need.